How to get refund on TEMU without returning. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TEMU application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the U option on the bottom center of your screen and then tap on the Your Orders option you see there. Further, go ahead and select the item that you want to make a refund of and then tap on the Return or Refund option you see there. You will then be required to choose the reason. So go ahead and choose the reason such as damaged, defective, wrong item, etc. You will also be required to upload proof if required. Further, TEMU will decide if they want the item returned, and if not, you will get money back without shipping it. There are various terms and conditions for returning the product which you should know, such as low value items. If the cost of the item is lower than the return shipping, TEMU may refund you automatically and tell you to keep the item. It could also be because of damaged or defective items or wrong sent items or late delivery guarantee. So this is how you can get refund on TEMU without returning. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.